Hi guys, welcome to IGCSE Max. In this video, we are going to teach all the basic knowledge that builds the foundation for Max. At the end of each section, we are providing assignment for you. So please watch the video carefully. Please leave a comment below and we would more than happy to help you in IGCSE. It's important to be familiar with the question style, so be sure to practice your past year papers. Please subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Without delay, let us start the first chapter, number. In this section, we are going to discuss the types of number, about the types of number. So first type is we are discussing is that is natural number. What is the first number? Natural number. Natural number, that is all positive number. All positive number starts from 1. That means example 1, 2, 3, etc. up to infinity. The all numbers are known as natural number. Then what is whole number? Natural number after we are checking the whole number. Whole number means natural number plus 0. That means whole number including 0 and 1, 2, 3, etc. up to infinity. The natural number is noted by capital N and whole number is noted by capital W. So whole number is including 0 with the natural number, we are getting the whole number. Then what is integer? These are the fundamental things you are understanding. Integer. Integer means negative number -3 to -2 -1 and 0 and 1, 2, 3, etc. Up to that means it is coming from the minus infinity to plus infinity. All numbers are called integer. Negative number 0 and positive number is called integers. Then a rational number. Integer is noted by Z and rational number. A rational number means the number written in the form of P by Q. Written in the form of P by Q where P and Q are integer, where Q not equal to 0. Denominator never became a 0, that is a Q not equal to 0. Rational number is in the form of P by Q. For example, 5 by 3. 5 by 3 is the rational number. So denominator is equal to 3 and numerator is equal to 5, and 5 and 3 are integer and 3 not equal to 0. Therefore 5 by 3 is the rational number. Rational number, all natural number 5 or 3 or 2 are also known as rational number because all the denominator having the same number 1. So all natural number also rational number, and rational number is in the form of P by Q form. Next, irrational number. Irrational number means, what is irrational number means? We can't write in the form of P by Q. We can't write in the form of P by Q. That is called irrational number. For example, the value of root 2, root 3, pi, etc. we are known as the irrational number. Then real number. Real number, what is the real number? Are natural number, the set of complete of natural number, whole number, integer, rational number. These are calling together as real number. So, natural number, whole number, integer, rational number and irrational number. All numbers are calling together as, so are calling together as real number. Next one is prime number. Prime number. Prime number means those who have the only two factors, those the number having two factors like 1 and itself. 1 and itself is called prime numbers. Prime number means only two factors. The factors are 1 and itself. And we can example for the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. up to prime numbers. Then next composite number. Composite number means a number having more than two factor. Two factor means it is a prime number. More than two factor means it is a composite. That means 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 10, etc. Then what is number 1? 1 have the only one factor. So we can say that 1 is neither composite nor prime. It is not a prime, not a composite. It is a special case. Then next we can check how to find the prime number up to 100 using the 10 by 10 square. 10 by 10 square using how to find the prime numbers. So we can draw the line like this. We can make a box 10 to 10 and we are going to find the prime numbers from 1 to 100. Prime numbers from 1 to 100. So how to find these prime numbers from 1 to 100? First of all, we know that 1 is neither prime, neither composite. So we can make one circle here. 1 is not a prime, not a composite. So we no need 1. So first prime is 2. Then round the 2. Then cancel all the even. That means multiples of 2. We can cancel all the multiples of 2. So this is why we can easily cancel because these are the even numbers. So we can no need this one. Again 4. Below all these are the even numbers. We can cancel. This also even numbers. So we can cancel these also. And 8 is the even number, then below all are even numbers, we can cancel. Again 10, these are the even number, we can cancel up to the last even number. Then next number is the multiples of 2 are cancelled. Then round the 3, then multiples of 3 we want to cancel. Those 9, 12, 15 cancelled, again 21, 27, 33, 39, 45, again 51, again 57, again 62 already cancelled, 63, again 69, again 69, 75, again 81, 81 plus 6, 88, 89, 89 plus 6, 95, 89 plus 6, 93, again 99. These are we cancelled because of the multiples of 3. Again we can multiples of 5. 4 is already cancelled, then round the 5, then last digit is 0, we are already cancelled, then we can cancel last digit 5, 25, 35, 55, 65, 85, 95. Then we can multiply 7. 7 is only 2 number, that is equal to 1 is 49 and another one is 91. So our duty is over. Rest the number we can round all number. 17, 23, 29, sorry, 119 is here. So 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 77, 79, 83, 87, 97. Then we can check the how many prime numbers from 1 to 10. From 1 to 10, 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. Between 1 to 10, how many prime numbers are there? 4 numbers. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 4. Again here 1, 2. Here is 2. Between 30 and 31 and 40, here also how many? 1, 2. Then how many 2 is there? Similarly 40 to 50 is there 3. Again 50 to 60, 2. Again 60 to 70, 2. '70 to 80, 1, 2, 3. 80 to 90, 2. So most important 90 to 100, only 1. So we can add together 4 plus 4, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 3, 13, 13 plus 2, 15, 15 plus 2, 17, 17 plus 3, 4 plus 4, 9, 25. The total number is 25. The total factor from 1 to 200, how many prime factors are there? There are 25 prime factors are there. So this is the chart you can understand. Next we are going to studying about the factors. What is factor? Factor. Let us discuss about the factor. 12. Factor is a number when multiplied with each other produce a given number. Which are the number multiplied each other? We are getting 12. So we can write 12 gives 1 into 12. Again 12 gives 2 into 6. Again 12 gives 3 into 4. Again 12 gives 12 into, again 6 into 2, other we can write here. So what is this? What are the factors? 1, 12, 2, 6, 3, 4. We can write the order 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So there are 12 have the 6 factor. Then we can check one another number 18. 18 the factors are like this. We can find 1 into 18 is the 18, 2 into 9 is the 18, 3 into 6 is the 18. Then what are the factors? 1, 2, 3, again 6, 9, 18. These are the factors. These are the factors. Then what is multiples? What is the multiples? Multiples means what? Find the multiples of 12. Let us see the multiples of 12. That means 12 into 1 is equal to 12. 12 into 2 is equal to 24. 12 into 3 is equal to 36. Like this go on. So what are the multiples of 12? We can write 12, 24, 36, like this going. Here we will discuss factor is limited. Factor is limited, but multiple is infinity. It is going up to infinity. Here we can find the next section. Find the HCF and LCM. Find the HCF and LCM. HCF. HCF of a 2 number. HCF of a 2 number or 3 number. So first of all we can write the HCF of the 2 number. 12 and 18. Here we are doing factorization. Factorize 12 by prime number. Factorize the 12 by prime number. First prime number 2. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6 again. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Then we can write 12 is equal to 2 into 3. That means 2 square into 3. 2 times, 3 1 times. Again, similar way we can find the prime factorization of the 18. 2 is the least number, 9. Again divided by 3, 3 is 9. So we can write 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. That means 2 into 3 square. LCM means common number. Here 2 is the common, 1 common. Then we can write here 2. Again, here 1, 2 have, but here no 2 have. So we can't take the 2. Here 1, 3 have, here no 3. So we can take these 2 3s are taken together. Again 3. This is single, we can't take. That is equal to HCF. HCF is equal to 6. Similar way from here, 2 is highest power is equal to 2. 3 is the highest power is 2. Which is the lowest power? Which is the lowest power? Comparing 2 here, 2 square. Here 2 here, lowest power is 1 only. So we can take it 2 into. Here also 3 power is 1, here 3 power is 2. So lowest power is equal to 3. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So this way we can find the HCF using prime factorization. One more example we can do. 36 HCF of 36, 63, 108. The 3 numbers we are coming, so we can write the 36 factorization 2, again 18, 2, again 9, 3, 3. Similarly we can write 63. 63, the 2 is not going, that is why we can take in 3. 3 means 21. Again 3, 7. 7 is the prime number, so you can stop there. Again 108, 3, 36, again 3, 12, again 3, 4, again 2, 2. So we can write 36 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3, that is equal to 2 square into 3 square. Again 63 is equal to 3 into 7, that is equal to 3 square into 7. Again 108. 108 we can write 3 into 2 into 2, That means 3 cube into 2 square. That is equal to HCF is equal to, I told that the lowest power, the 2 here have, here not have. So we can't take the 2. The common number here 3 have, 3 here power is 2, here power is 2, here power is 3 only. So HCF we can take 3 square, the lowest power 3 square, that is equal to 3 into 3 is equal to 9. 9 is the HCF of 3 numbers. So then next we can learn about the LCM. Least common multiples. LCM. LCM of same problem we can do once again. 36, 63, 108. Say 36, 63, 108. The LCM is we can do the same factorization we can do. What we will there, we are written there, 36 is equal to 2 square into 3 square, and 63 we can written as 3 square into 7, and 108 we can written at 2 square into 3 square, 3 cube. So we can write the all factors, all prime numbers of the highest power. Here 2 square have the, what is highest power 2, that is 2 square. Next 3 the highest power 3 cube into, again what is the remaining? Remaining is the 7, so we can write the 7 here. So what it is? 4 into 9 into 7. 9 sevens are 63. 63 into 4. 4 3s are 12, remainder 1, 65, 250. The LCM is equal to 252. This is the method for the finding the LCM, finding the LCM. Then we can discuss about the rational number. One rational number, no. Okay, today's this section is completing right now here. So we can discuss one assignment paper for you. Have to work done and give the comment. Any doubt you have means you can ask. We can familiar what is the first assignment. State whether the following numbers are rational or irrational. The given number is rational number or not. That you have to find the answer. Next video we can discuss these problems clearly. Show by expression them as factors or whole number that the following numbers are irrational. Find the value of 9 square means 9. Find the calculate. Without using calculator, find the value. Without using calculator, find it. So this 7 problem you have to do. Next video we can discuss about the all 7 problems detailed. So now have a nice day.